Good afternoon, everybody. We are out here at 6448 Pansy Drive in Milton, Florida. Today I'm going to get to show you guys 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and this home is just over 2,600 square feet. So as you can see, nice long driveway over here. You are going to have a side entrance. Give you a little sneak peek to that. And in all honesty, I might as well start with the backyard because it is gorgeous. So here is the 2-car garage entrance, and then you have a nice little walkway up to the front door. But I think today we're going to go straight to the backyard because this weather is too nice and the pool is too gorgeous to make you guys wait till the very end. So let's take you guys inside. So you'll get a little sneak peek as we walk through the house, and we'll of course touch on all of the amazing features here once we get back to it. But I will preface by saying please go look in the MLS documents. We do have a very in-depth feature sheet from this home because there are a ton of renovations and redos and additions to this home that I definitely do not want you guys to miss out on. But as you can see, this is clearly why I wanted to start in the backyard. This gorgeous pool here, the fountains, privacy fence along the back, and then you have the nice metal fencing on the sides here. This is going to be a gaslit fire pit, and then there is a better view from this angle. So gorgeous. And that Florida room was added on. So it used to just be an outdoor patio, and then the cellar is completely enclosed. There is AC in there. It is a full functioning Florida room. That is absolutely stunning, so I can't wait to show you guys those details. Just showing you the backyard here. As we walk around the pool, you can see you do have another separate seating area here to get some nice sun if you're looking to tan. And then also there are 2 sheds in the backyard, as you could see, one larger one and then a smaller one just off to the side. And then there is a nice pergola. Currently it's housing additional seating and the grill stations, but you can make that into whatever fits your needs. And last view here, there's the hot tub. The pool does come with a pool heater, as does the hot tub, of course. There's natural gas in the home as well. All right, so now we're gonna start off here in the added on Florida room. And I do wanna show you guys these custom ceilings. How stunning are those? All right, there we are. That is going to be a propane fireplace. And then I'll give you guys a different vantage point here. Vinyl flooring in that Florida room. And then there we see that it can enclose with these custom barn doors. And then now we are going to be in the dining / kitchen area. These cabinets are also custom built. You can see you've got a gas stovetop, wall oven, built-in microwave, stainless steel double door fridge and freezer with that pull drawer on the bottom, and a pantry. So this pantry door actually used to be the door that led out to the backyard, and this side of things used to be enclosed with a window right above that undermount sink that you're looking at right now. So they completely opened up this wall here Nice high beam. And then they made what would have been the exit to the backyard into a pantry. So love that. We'll go ahead and turn around, give you guys another good look of this kitchen. Granite countertops, absolutely beautiful. You can see you've got your dishwasher there, and then a nice long island that does come out. A little bit of a breakfast bar. I'd say that's a mini breakfast bar, but you do have some room for seating under there. And then here we are, what is currently being used as a nice little casual dining area. And then I'll show you guys the living room here. So same thing, that is going to be a gas fireplace, so propane. High cathedral ceilings in here. You can see it breaks and then we go back down. Very open. And then you can see we do have hardwood floors in the front of the house. Then you can see that in the kitchen. You do have the tiled accents, and you're gonna find those in the bathrooms as well. So we're gonna go ahead and break off into the right wing of the home. And I'm gonna start all the way to our left here in our first bedroom. So again, we've got hardwood floors in the bedroom here. A lovely double window looking out to that beautiful backyard and pool setup. There you are, there's your view. And this room is large enough to house a king-size bed comfortably. And you can see there your closet is a double door, so very spacious for all of your belongings. Coming through, the 2 bedrooms on the right wing of the house are going to be split by your first full bathroom. So as we can see as we walk in, that is going to be a tub shower duo. You do get a very spacious single vanity here. Same granite countertops that we've seen throughout. Nice vanity lighting. And the tiled floor that was in the kitchen is going to match suit in the bathroom for just a nice additional unity. All right, coming into our last bedroom on this side of the home. This is large enough to comfortably house a queen-size bed. You do get a double window view of the front yard. So beautiful out there. And then of course, same closet setup here. You do have the double doors. Let me get a better angle for you. There we go. Double doors on the closet. Perfect. And we will go ahead and go back through to the left wing. So obviously this is a split floor plan. The primary suite is going to be on its own side of the house, so you do get additional privacy and you do get an awesome look of your pool setup outside. So here we are walking into the primary suite. You do have 2 split windows here for that backyard view. It is willing to note that we do have some gorgeous tray ceilings in here. Hardwood floors, of course, like I mentioned, in every bedroom. And then we move to that tile to match the kitchen and the bedroom, or excuse me, the bathroom on the other side of the home. So here we are, double vanity setup, split mirrors, plenty of under sink storage. Those cabinets were just recently painted. And then this is just phenomenal. We've got a extra large walk-in shower here. Just the partition glass, so it's not fully enclosed, which I personally think is nice makes for easy cleanup. You're not having to get into all the crevices of like a wheeled, like pulled door or anything like that. So the nice partition glass just keeps everything open. And then look at this bathtub, everyone. Oh my goodness. Frosted decorative window, add a little bit more light. And then this jetted tub is just fantastic. So really do get all the things in this bathroom. And then through this door is going to be the water closet. So there is your commode. Nice spacious water closet, if I'm being honest. Extra towel storage in here on both sides. And then through this door, right off the shower, is going to be the primary walk-in closet. Definitely enough space for two. Also enough space for one. Yes, again, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, just over 2,600 square feet. And then finally, just across the way from the primary bedroom is going to be your laundry room. I love these tall cabinets in here, so nice linen storage if you need it, or cleaning overflow. And of course, you do have a utility sink in here, which I personally love that aspect. Never know if you need to get stains out or make a quick industrial clean inside, so I think that's great. Here is going to be a separate linen or cleaning closet, whatever suits you best. So yes, 6448 Pansy Drive in Milton, Florida. You guys will definitely want to come check this out. And then last thing I want to show you, back through the front door, you do get such a nice porch area. So let me show you that here. So walking out of the front door, first of all, so much land. And then there is your little porch area. There we are, everyone. 6448 Pansy Drive in Milton, Florida.